Well, there's our old smart or not smart panel. That's just the old sub panel, and it has been removed. So that's what we have left in our wall. All the circuits in our home right there labeled so that we can swap in the new Smart Home Panel 3 from EcoFlow. It's gonna be awesome. We will have to size this out a little bit, but we got the professionals, Mike and his team, Jack. They are working on it right now. Jack went to the local hardware store to pick up some parts, but they're gonna install this whole unit right here. This is the EcoFlow Smart Panel 3 with 32 circuits, and we got the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X here and 2 batteries. It's going to be able to power the entire house. The way we're going to use it is energy arbitrage. So it's actually going to be very effective of saving us money, because where we are in the Bay Area, it costs a lot of money for electricity, especially during the day. So the plan is we are going to use the power from these batteries to power our entire home during the day when electric is expensive, and then at night when electric is more lower price, we're gonna use the smart technology of the Smart Home Panel 3 to tell the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X to charge up these batteries, and everything's gonna be automatic. It's automatic because it's the Smart Home Panel 3 able to know and access everything for us, because obviously it has access to the power coming in, so it can tap into the power from the grid, and then it knows when it's time to use the power coming from the batteries through here. It's awesome. This whole system is all integrated. Once you program it, it's seamless, it's automatic, and when it switches from the battery power to the grid power and back and forth when it needs to, no glitches in the system. Like, we can have computers running constantly. The lights might notice a small tiny flicker, but that's about it. So it's perfect because we have a lot of computers in our home, and previously we were going to use this backup system with my Cybertruck, because my Cybertruck has a big battery. It has like 120 kilowatt hour battery or something, like a 121 kilowatt hour battery. But the problem I had is every time I need to switch over to the power from my Cybertruck to power the house and then switch back to grid power, there is a small power drop off. Literally, you will notice the light shut off, and it's long enough that all the electronics will shut off. So that's why I had to get the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X with the Smart Home Panel 3. And also I waited for the Smart Home Panel 3 because their Smart Home Panel 2, although was really good, it only had, I believe, 14 circuits, and our home is not a big home, but it has more than 14 circuits. So if we had with the EcoFlow Delta Pro system before with the Smart Home Panel 2, that meant we had to keep our sub panel and then only wire out the 12 circuits that are going to go to the smart panel, and also that was limited too, because you had to choose which circuit was 240 and which circuit was 120, and it's very much a hassle because you have multiple batteries, and it was not well integrated as it is now with the EcoFlow Smart Home Panel 3 and the Delta Pro Ultra X. This is a game changer. This is finally a solution where I said, yes, it's ready for my home. And by the way, thankfully we have this little guy. This is the EcoFlow Delta 3 Classic. It's small, it's compact, and as you can see right now, it's powering the lights in our garage. We use about 500 watts so that they can work. Otherwise, it's dark because they had to shut off the power even to the garage to install this. But yep, it's looking pretty nice. They will have to cut out this box a little bit bigger. Actually, you know what? They might not even need to go down. I'm not sure, but it looks like they have room up there, so it's gonna look really nice, because I wanted to mount this box as high as possible. That way I can install the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X and the batteries down there. I'm gonna say, if I have room, I'm gonna stack as many batteries as I can, because why not, right? You have space underneath the Smart Home Panel 3 to put batteries. That's what we're gonna do. So if they can install this way up there, whew, I'm gonna put more batteries. It's gonna be awesome. Anyway, the Smart Home Panel 3 has 32 circuits. The EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X is enough AC inverter to be able to power our entire home, and it can connect up to, I believe, 5 batteries on one unit here, and then each unit can hold up, I believe, 5 batteries. And then for the EcoFlow Delta, the EcoFlow Smart Home Panel 3, it can have up to 3 EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X. It's crazy. This is a super system, and it's actually finally ready for, in my book, home use. And I've waited a long time, and I've waited and waited because every year they kept getting a little bit better, but there was just something that wasn't right. Like, yeah, I mean, I've explained it enough. This is finally the solution that's ready for me. The EcoFlow Smart Home Panel 3 with the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X. So excited. It's going to be awesome.